In this video, I will show you how to buy and how to sell on Exness. So firstly, make sure you're signed to your account, and then you want to click on My Accounts under Trading. And from here, you want to select your account for which you want to start trading. So you can choose either from real or demo. So I will show you on demo account because it's without risk. If you don't have account opened yet, you can create a demo or real account by clicking on this open account. From here, you want to choose account type, so you can keep it on standard. Then click on continue and you want to choose demo. Then you can choose a currency in which you want to trade. So I want to trade in euros. Then you can choose your starting balance. So let's say 10K. Then a nickname, max leverage. So you can also set custom leverage here. So let's say I want to have this 1 to 100. Then make sure MT5 is selected and set your trading password. Then click on create account, and now to buy and sell you just want to click on trade next to this account. Then you can choose Exness Terminal, and from here you can start trading. So firstly you need to select your instrument which you want to trade, so you can click on this plus button. So let's say if you want to trade some kind of stock like Apple, you just want to type it, but you will see this icon when market is closed, so you can't trade it right now. So I'm gonna choose some cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. I'm gonna select this Bitcoin, and now to buy, you will see this tab on the right side, and from here you can buy and sell. So I have this market or pending order. So I will choose market and then click on buy, and then you want to set this volume. So I would recommend starting with lower volumes like 0.01 because you are not doing large trade and you are not risking much money. So if I would set like, let's say 0.20, this is larger trade and is more risky. So I would start with 0.01. Then also you can set like take profit. So if you click on it, you can add your custom price where you want to automatically close trade with profit. Or you can also set stop loss, so you don't want to lose like more money than this. So you can set it, and then if the price goes down, it will be automatically closed on this stop loss and you don't lose more than you set. So that's a really good option. And then you just want to click on confirm by 0.01 lots, and this will place your trade. And now you can see many details here. You can see it's open, and you will see also profit and loss. So as you can see, I'm currently 2 cents in profit. You can see open time here, position, current price, open price, and volume also typed. So this is buy. And now let's say I'm in profit 40 cents and I want to close this trade. So you can do it by clicking on this X, close position. So click on it. And now my trade is closed. And as you can see, this trade was 42 cents profit. So this is how you can buy on market order. Let's say you want to buy at specific price. So let's say I would like to buy it on 88,040, like this one. So I will choose pending on the right side next to market. And then I'm just going to set this price. You can also drag this tab like here. So I want to buy it at this price, 88,040. So I will choose this price. You can also type it here. Then you want to also set this volume, and here you can also set take profit and stop loss. Then you just want to click on confirm, and now you should see this in pending tab. So now this is pending order, so if the price reach this value, it will be automatically bought. Now let's say you want to sell, you can click on sell next to buy, and from here you have also those options like market and pending order. So you can choose market and you just want to set this volume. You can also set take profit and stop loss, and you just want to click on confirm sell. And now position opened, and then you can see same details like on buy. So I have this profit loss, I'm currently in loss, And if you want to close this position, you just want to click on close position, and then you can see it in closed. So this is your history, and that's pretty much it. This is how you can buy and sell on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.